Hello, dear partner and friends around the world. A special welcome to everyone joining us from Europe, the Americas, the Middle East, Asia Pacific, and beyond. Thank you for being here. This is Martin Lee, founder, chairman, and the CTO of LEDMAN. From 20 years ago, LEDMAN has focused on one mission: pushing the boundaries of LED technology more stable, more efficient, more comfortable, higher definition, and cooler. We are not just a part of LED display industry. We are setting new benchmarks and exploring what's possible. Our journey has been driven by innovation, from SMD to COB, and now embracing PSE technologies. Easily achieve 4K and 8K. As a global leading LED display expert with over 20 years industry experience, LEDMAN has accumulated over 100 advanced COB display patents globally. Its core PSE technology has been granted patents in major markets worldwide. LEDMAN is a technology-driven company. Technological evolution has allowed us to build a full range of products for almost every major application, whether it's indoor or outdoor, fixed installations or flexible rental solutions. And today, we are taking another huge step forward. We are truly proud to introduce to you a revolutionary product, Icescreen QS point line. This next generation COB display is built for the most demanding professional settings. No matter the situation, it performs perfectly. And the Icescreen QS point line is more than just a product. It's a platform for your business success. Low but not expensive. QS series delivers 5 key advantages: exceptional stability, superior ultra-high definition, outstanding energy efficiency, remarkable low screen temperature, and enhanced viewing comfort. These features ensure long-term, stable operation. Finally, I want to say a heartfelt thank you. I believe today will benefit you a lot. Thank you for your continued trust and collaboration. At LEDMAN, we believe real leadership is about moving the whole industry forward. And we are honored to have you walking this path with us. Your partnership is the foundation of everything we've achieved and the inspiration for what's next. Let's light up the future together with LEDMAN. Thank you.
So without any further delay, let's dive straight into the future. So please join me in welcoming Mr. Johnson Liu to come to the stage. Johnson, please.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to stand here. Wow, what an amazing day. I saw the numbers. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the display now. The numbers is still increasing. It's increasing. For now, there are more than 200 attendees. And you know, this event is also showed through LinkedIn. So till now, let me ask my colleagues. Fly, so how many attendees totally now? Oh my God, it's more than 300. It's amazing, it's amazing. Well, I saw some old friends and some new friends, like Jeremy from UK, right? I just want to say hello to you. I think he can see me, right? And I saw, what's that? Who is it? Johnson, Stephen from South Africa, I think. And some other Japanese friends, some friends from Malaysia, Indonesia. Wow, so many old friends and new friends. I haven't seen you for a long time. I remember the last time I saw you guys in IC, I think. No, not IC, the Infocom this year. So okay, back to the presentation. Today, I will give you some more information about our brand new product ranges. I have a PowerPoint here. Let's take a look. So we have UHD King and Icescreen. So this is a newly created name we just created yesterday, I think. Yeah. So, well, I know most of you guys online are our partners or some of the end users who are using our LED video wall in conference room, classroom, and shopping center, command room, even TV studio. So you may have some issues, or you may meet some difficulties during using LED video wall, like block screen, color blocks, large area defective pixels. And yeah, I do know, and I also heard some complaints from you guys. The surface of LED panel is not as strong enough. Yeah, that's correct, especially the SMD product. And that's not waterproof, dustproof. After years of using, it's broken. You care about warranty, commercial issues, whatever. So let's take a look. So let's take a look what we have today. So we have Icescreen QS0.9. So look at the picture. We have two sizes of cabinets as for your options, a smaller one and a bigger one. So it's long-lasting stability design, super comfortable. What's the super comfortable means? It means it's super comfortable to human eyes. It's super comfortable to the cameras. We'll take a video in TV studio. And it's super energy saving. We know the European partners. You do care about the energy, right? You may have energy risks nowadays. So some of you are senior technicians. I know, like Kahan, right? Mr. Kahan, you graduated from MIT. You know technology more than I know. But here, we all agree that for every 10-degree increase in temperature, the chemical reactions of electronic components double and their lifetime is shortened by half. There's three major features. The first one is AI low temperature intelligent. Second is ultra precise voltage control technology. The third is black packed design. The circuit is designed specially. We use a black packed component at the bottom. So take a look at this picture. The panel temperature is less than 30 degrees. It's only about 28. So let's take another look at AI-powered dynamic display technology. So we embedded AI intelligent matrix set with our patent algorithm. So that's why we can have power consumption, power saving function, precise voltage control, and the black packed design. There's a unique black bottom design. So light passes directly through without loss, achieving 100% light transmittance. At the same brightness, we can achieve lower power consumption and lower heat generation. So we make a product beyond just stability. Let me make a short summary. So there are 6 unique features in total. The first one is what you care about. Some of you who doing projects for a TV studio, high refresh rate, yes. So our product, this QS series can achieve 7,680 Hertz refresh rate. What we can benefit from this unique feature? Super comfortable to human eyes, super comfortable to the cameras, and ultra low radiation. So these products also passed EMC Class B. Also is a super energy saving. The max power consumption of each cabinet is only around 155 watts per square meters. That's lower than the others. I mean, the other products, the other brand of product, and the other regular CUV LED video wall. The fourth is ultra Icescreen. I love this word. It's ice. It's real ice. I mean, the temperature is like ice. The temperature is even lower than human bodies. You may have some bad experience. Like today, I'm making such presentation speech. In the speech maker's back, there's a huge LED video wall. There's a heat wave in your back. That's not uncomfortable. That's not comfortable, right? I don't like it. So we designed the product to solve all the issues. We make the speech maker comfortable. That's a value we can bring to all of you guys. Ultra reliable. So we use a molding design. So that's why we can achieve high protection, like waterproof, dustproof. You care about, the most of LED video wall used indoor, right? So some naughty guys, let's say if we put an LED video wall in the big classroom, during the break time, some naughty guys may play on the video wall. It's hard to control. It's very hard. We cannot staring at the display all the time. That's impossible. How we can protect the facilities? We know this display is not cheap. It's not just like a mobile phone. Not that price. It's high. But by using our Super CUV, the brand new ranges product, we can avoid this kind of risks. Here's a comparison chart. Let's take a look. I would like to make a summary again. Some of you, I mean the old friends, you have been this LED field, this market for years. You guys sell a lot or use a lot of SMD products, right? Whatever outdoor or indoor scenarios, like P10, P8, even P4. But nowadays in indoor fixed using scenario, people care about the resolution, the image quality, the protection functions. So that's why in this market, we have CUV. I would like to say regular CUV, not our CUV. See the last one, Icescreen. This is new launched CUV, cold LED, cheap on board. What's more? We use our pattern technology, PSE technology. So I'd like to share some of five aspects: anti-collation, waterproof, surface temperature, effective pixel rate, power consumption, and stability. This is the most aspects you care about. So see the chart here in front of me, in front of you. Ours is the best. That's true. Some of you has used our product, like a City University of Hong Kong and Warwick University, and some other, some companies, even militaries. Seeing is believing, right? Here's some successful cases. What value we can benefit? What's the best? Some of you may ask me, Johnson, so what's the best using scenarios for your product? I would like to say, or. Not just the commercial, retail scenarios, but also exhibition, works as an exhibition display, right? We can put it in some conference room, even some office building lobby. So it's easily, here I want to strengthen is, it's easily to achieve 4K, even 8K resolution. Why? We know indoor, the height of a room is very limited. There's not that enough space to install a huge LED video wall. But you guys care about the resolution. How we can solve this issue? My answer is using our PSE COB product. The price is quite reasonable, and in return, you can have higher resolution. Power consumption is lower. So I would like to say this is perfect. I hope you guys like it. It can be also used in TV studio, like this picture. In these scenarios, people cares about the scanning lines, scanning waves. That's not good, right? Our product, as I mentioned, is 7,680 Hertz reflection rate. The others, the regular ones, are 3,000 and 3,000 something, right? That's not as good as ours. And command room, people care about stability because LED video wall has to be working 24 hours, 7 days in a week. That's crazy, right? We cannot avoid this. We cannot shut it down. No way, right? The officer will be angry. So by using ours, you don't have to change it. Just keep it on. That's it. Now we have some successful cases worldwide, but I would like to strengthen one case in Shanghai, in China. That COB LED wall has been used for 7 years or 8 years, I think at least 7 years. It's still working very well, but I cannot say it's working perfectly. Some components may be broken or not at work very best, but easy to to change or repair. So this is a very, very senior, advanced product comparing to traditional SMD product or regular COB product. So we made several tests. LEDMAN is we focus on technology innovation. So we put the good man into a real product, but we also do many tests to make it perfect. So we made temperature tests. We made a temperature test. See, here are two pictures displaying the white. On the right hand is the regular. I would like to say it's also the other products. See the left hand It's amazing, right? The temperature is around more than 10, not around, more than 10 degrees lower than regular ones. See the second one? We also made a power consumption test. The left hand is ours as well. We see is only about 30 watts per cabinet. See the others, see the regular one. So ours is only about 50% lower than the others. I told you seeing is believing, right? See this picture, the vertical gradient effect. Some of you are the expert. I know some of you, the customer, the end user, you care about the quality. You care about the vertical gradient effect. See, ours is good, it's perfect. And see this picture about high contrast coupling. Ours is better, for sure. And scanning lines. In TV studio, you care about these. That's why I would like to strengthen it again. Ours, there's no scanning line. We use a very perfect chipset, high fraction rate, 7,000 plus. Okay, so I hope all the information help you. I have got you more than 15 minutes. So here's another video for you to get some more knowledge about our product. Thank you, guys. So I'd like to use LEDMAN LED PIC COB product, light up the world. So you may care about, you invite me to come here, just show this QS series? No, we also have some other ranges. Take a look, this is our GM series. This is very friendly for rental using scenarios. There are some more unique features. And X series. This could be used indoor fixed scenarios. We provide varieties of pixel pitches, P1.9, P1.2, and as well as some other pixel pitches. And the Z series. This is the very best product for outdoor fixed. We also got Muse Award in US. If you have been in this field, you must know this award, what this means. Okay, so now my presentation ends. So I would like to say, let's use Icescreen built to last guaranteed reliability. Thank you for your time. Thanks, all my friends.
To answer that, I'd like to invite Mr. Kenny Zhang, our Vice General Manager, to the stage. Kenny will unveil the compelling sales support we have created exclusively for the launch of the QS 0.9. Let's welcome Kenny.
Thank you, Leslie, Dennis, and Johnson. Ladies and gentlemen, partners and friends, good day. I'm Kenny Zhang, in charge of international sales, pre-sales, and after-sales. Today, it's my pleasure to be here to present some important information to you. The next chapter of innovation, the new generation COB products, our Icescreen QS series. We have one sentence to describe our Icescreen QS series. That is, noble but not expensive. We conclude the reasons for 4E and 4E: exclusive patents, excellent performance, extra value, exciting price. Let's take a look of exclusive patents at first. Just now, my colleague Johnson introduced you the technology of our ice cream. The technology is created by LEDMAN. LEDMAN has invention patents in China, Japan, Canada, USA, Germany, and Australia. These patents will protect your business from other competitors. What's excellent performance? This is also mentioned by my colleague Johnson. Let's see. Our ice cream has ultra high definition, 0.9 pixel pitch, and super energy saving, 50% power consumption down than other COB products. Ultra cold screen. The temperature of surface of QS display is only around 30 degrees, even lower than human body's temperature, and other COB products is about 40 to 50 degrees. This is also the reason we call QS series as Icescreen. And ultra high refresh rate, 7,680 Hertz. Others are about 1,920 to 3,840 Hertz. It won't make your eyes uncomfortable, and you can take good quality pictures with your phone and your camera. What extra value can be brought to you by our ice cream? First of all, energy and cost saving. It also double saving because the price of our ice cream is competitive and reasonable. And the power consumption is down 50 than others. When you're using our ice cream, you don't have to set very low room temperature with your air conditioning as using others. Because of around 30 degrees of surface temperature. Secondly, it's easy to make 2K, 4K, and 8K within certain small size of walls. For example, around the 2 square meters, you can install 2K QS series LED display, and 7 square meters good for 4K, and around 30 square meters good for 8K. Thirdly, operation life of ice cream QS 0.9 will be double than other P0.9 products. I think everybody knows that. There is an equation called Arrhenius equation. When the temperatures decrease by 10 degrees, the chemical reaction rates of electronic components is halved. So it means it's doubling its lifespan. Fourthly, lower operation temperature of the equipment will make our ice cream in good operation condition. It will make our LED display more stable. This means you don't need too much after sales costs, communication costs, and the labor costs, less customers' complaints. Okay, now we are going to the most exciting part, that's price policy. In the market price, normally the P0.9 products price is about $6,000 USD. And for our price strategy, it will be tiered pricing. So with the different quantity of the orders will be different price. And this price, you can contact your key accounts contact person. Of course, this is our promotion activity. So we have the limited time offer. It's from the 1st of November to 31st of December. So in this period of time, you can have following benefits. First of all, 10% deposit equal locate price of fixed quantity. That means you can use 10% of the deposit of the total amount of your orders to lock the good price, and we'll stock in our warehouse, and you can get anytime you want. And the second of all, you can get 30% off for the samples of the 2K or 4K in your showroom. And the third one is we will extend our warranty from 2 years to 2.5 years. And the last, we can provide you free online training course, and also for the sales and engineering person. We can provide offline the training course as well. Okay, the last but not least, we are thinking global partners. We hope we can have this good product to provide your business and increase your business. We have good product, also good price, also good service. So you can make your own imagines. What market do you want? How big do you want? We can provide it. Finally, I think let us be success together. Thank you.
Thank you, Kenny, for introduction. It's clear that LEDMAN is fully invested in our partners' success. We're incredibly proud of the long-term relationships that we have built across the globe. To give you a real-world perspective, please join us in watching this short interview with our client from South Africa. He will share their first-hand experience of what it truly means to grow with LEDMAN.